Don't pay for confusing ancestry clutter. Embark gives most owners clearer breed results. Choose Wisdom Panel when deeper trace ancestry matters more. Choose between clarity, ancestry detail, and collection effort. For most mixed breed dogs, I'd choose the Embark breed plus health DNA test. Buy it for a tidy breed report, relative matching, and a broad genetic condition screening list. Tiny ancestry segments roll into supermud instead of becoming distracting breed claims. But some condition explanations require extra interpretation, and the large collection one may challenge very small dogs. Skip it if you want every trace breed separated or you're uncomfortable with broad submitted and de-identified data use, even with research participation declined. For ancestry deep dives, choose the Wisdom Panel Premium Dog DNA Collection Kit. It's better when you enjoy trace breed breakdowns, physical trait reports, relative matching, and simpler genetic condition explanations. The report can assign breeds down to 1%, though estimates from 1% to 4% deserve restraint. Behavior traits are interesting, not dependable predictions. Skip it if your dog can't avoid food for 2 hours before swabbing, or de-identified information sharing without a clear opt-out bothers you. Quick split. Choose Embark for a cleaner mixed breed answer and broad screening. Choose Wisdom Panel for finer ancestry detail and more approachable explanations. Before buying, check swab size, food restrictions, report depth, and the company's terms for submitted and de-identified information. Start with Embark if you want the clearest useful answer without ancestry clutter. Switch to Wisdom Panel if exploring tiny breed contributions sounds worthwhile. Pick your report style, check the collection routine, and move on. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.